Hey guys, Jazzy Fuzz AJ here, and today I am going to do a video giving away some free accounts. These accounts also have free chat, so let's get started. The first account is Little Bunny 63. Little Bunny 63, and the password is that. Okay, next one. Awesome Wolf Howl. And then the password is the same thing. The next one is Ultraman241. And the password is powers. The next one is Trinity1310. And the password is that. Most of them have the same password, so yeah. User name for this one is Animal Love. It's not double L, so after animal just put OVE. Okay, so animal and love share the L. Okay. And the password, Animal Love 981. And the password is that. Next one, Family Love 8877. And then the password there. The next one, this one doesn't have free chat, okay? Foxhat Girl 2. And then the password is get me a fox hat. Okay? So yeah, that's basically it. Please do not get these accounts suspended or banned. You can do anything else with it, like make it a member, buy it some clothes, I don't know, play with your friends, do tricks, edit your den, do anything you want except for getting it suspended or banned. Because if you do, something will happen, trust me. I will change the password, and something else will happen that you don't want to know. You don't want to know what happens, but something will happen if you get it suspended or banned. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you want more videos like this, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!